Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are gonna see who needs an airport transit visa for the Netherlands. Before I proceed further, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body, and the intention of making this video is to show you how to navigate through a service. So guys, with the resumption of travel around the world, lot of people are traveling, and increasingly many people transit through Netherlands. Amsterdam is a very good and popular airport or transit route for people traveling from like Asia to US or American countries to other parts of the world. So a lot of people have these questions that do I really need an airport transit visa if I am changing my flights? So in order to clarify this, I am making this video, and in future I will again make a video to show you how to really apply for a transit visa. Okay. So you see, I have opened this Netherlands Worldwide, which is an official government of the Netherlands site. So visa for Netherlands. So the best thing here is like you can check if you need a visa. Like there's a wizard that's really gonna help you. Okay. And this is like Schengen visa advisor. Oh, I think I clicked on some link. Yeah, that I was not supposed to. Yeah, my mouse is okay. Alright. So in Schengen area, airport transit, okay, in the Netherlands. Next question. Will you leave the international transit area at this Dutch airport? You will leave? No. Means you will leave you will stay only in the international transit area, yes, like if you are changing the flight. But again, you can always check this information with your airline if you have any doubt or if you are not sure of the answer of the previous question. Will you transit through an airport in another Schengen country during this trip? Let's say no, but if yes, you need to. It depends on various other factors. What is your nationality? Oh, I'm just putting a sample. You do not require. Wow. Pass through the transit zone of a Dutch airport for onward travel to a destination outside the Schengen area. Wow. And if you want to fill it again, you can always fill it again. Like if you want to change answer. So for example, I go this, and if I select this, let's say you have a change of airport. Okay. Like if you come to airport A, then you go to airport B. So that requires, what is the purpose of what is the type of travel document you will travel on? I said normal passport. Do you have a variation from the country in the Schengen area? I select no. Do you have a direct family member of European Union, EEA or Swiss citizen? I select no. In which country you will submit your visa application? I select this. Okay, so they give you the answer. So basically go through this wizard, and based on that you can apply for it, and even there's a link, you can go ahead and apply. So this is really good, and in future I'll make a video about that. Thanks for watching this guys. Please subscribe to the channel.